This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, January 3rd, 2014. And now our first look, this is your GFS model run. So at noon today, we have a shortwave moving off the New England coast, moving into the Canadian Maritimes. Another one moving into the Northern Rockies and the Pacific Northwest, and that'll be the one that'll bring a clipper system down by this weekend. It'll be over the northern plains, northern Rockies, with a little bit of snow there. Winds will be out of the southwest today. That'll warm the temperatures back into the teens and lower to mid-20s across the state, but unfortunately it doesn't last very long. Saturday, a frontal system will come through early to the middle of the day, and temperatures may reach the 20s to lower 30s in the eastern and southern counties before dropping back into the single digits and then back below zero. We could see some snow in the southern and southeastern counties late Saturday into Saturday night and into early Sunday, with maybe a small accumulation, but Sunday the big story will be temperatures will be hugging near zero or below zero. Monday morning will be very cold, lows way below zero, wind chills way below zero. We could see dangerous wind chills, wind chill warnings, advisories. It'll be mainly sunny though. Even Tuesday it'll still be sunny, but it's not going to be very warm. Highs will struggle to reach the single digits below zero. Lows will be well below zero in the teens, maybe nearing 20 below zero. Wednesday the temperatures start to moderate, but unfortunately as temperatures moderate, another storm comes in. It looks like we could see some light snow around here on Wednesday. Maybe a light accumulation possible. We'll pinpoint that as we draw closer. Thursday, that storm is now off to our east with some snow across the Great Lakes into the Ohio Valley and any rain down across the Tennessee River Valley down into the Texas Gulf Coast. And then by a week from today, we have another short wave approaching from the west. We have a cutoff low in northern Mexico. The pattern is getting a little more zonal at this point as the polar vortex moves well to our north. So we could see temperatures back near seasonal levels, mainly teens, 20s across the state, and lows middle to upper single digits to lower to middle teens. As we move into the extended period on January the 14th, we have a cutoff low over the desert southwest, and the flow is back out of the northwest again. And what does that mean? It means it's going to be cold again. Not overly cold like it will be this week, though, and into next week. It'll be highs in the teens to near 20. There'll be some snow over the Great Lakes into New England with some rain along the coast and across the Gulf Coast as well. Some snow in the south and west as well. And then at the end of the forecast, on the 18th, we have a flow coming out of the northwest again, and we have a cutoff low in northern Mexico. We promise these are different model images, but it seems to be the same thing over and over, but the flow is out of the north and west. Could see a clipper system come down with a little bit of light snow or flurry activity. Temperatures likely near seasonal levels, but it'll be cooler to the north and east and warmer to the south and west, but we still have at least a week or two to look at this. Satellite image from last evening, we had the storm off the east and northeast coast, bringing some blizzard conditions across New England, some clouds in the Gulf of Mexico, and the next storm approaching from the north and west. The watch warning map from last evening, you can see the winter weather issues across the east, blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, wind chill advisories around here with some blizzard watches in North Dakota and some winter weather issues in the northern Rockies. The QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days, due Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest precipitation will be across the Ohio Valley into the Great Lakes and across the northeast, with little to no precipitation around here outside of a few flurries or a little bit of light snow.